what, this is 2 weeks after a 2-level lumbar fusion. So first of all, your posture, how do you feel?
Brilliant.
Yeah. How about, you look taller.
Yeah.
So you definitely feel taller, do you?
Yeah. Yeah. I
Good.
don't know about
And now the left leg is a bit numb.
Yeah, pins and needles in my left toe.
Yeah.
And then this is mainly my calf here.
Calf. Yeah, because the nerve was very tight there. But in terms of any pain, are you getting any pain down your leg?
It's not pain as such, it's literally
Yeah.
just numbness and...
Yeah, that will improve. It's 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Only 2 weeks since the op. Let me see you have a walk. Good. Perfect. And back. Now, I know it's a bit early, but one of the things I want you to do, can you just see how you can bend? I mean, this is only 2 weeks after the 2 levels.
It's not like none of the pain it used to be. It's more when you've done the surgery. It feels like when
it's a bit tight.
You've got the stitches. It feels like stretching.
Exactly. How about sideways?
There's none of the actual normal pain I had.
Fantastic. But you feel good overall, better?
Yeah.
Compared to how you were?
Completely.
Wow, 2 weeks later.